Local Memphis Live continues with your host, Amy Sparopoulos.
Welcome back to Local Memphis Live. Now, let's talk beauty with Stacy Vason. She is on location at Regel Pharma Lab.
We're here at Regel Pharma Lab. I'm with Dr. Josh Regel. He's going to share with us what is compound pharmacy and why is there a growing demand for it. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Regel. So tell us, what is compound pharmacy?
Well, Stacy, we have the opportunity to work with patients individually. The personalized medication is what we do. Our main focus is finding an answer for every patient's need that comes through our pharmacy doors. That's why my wife and I, Summer Regel, as also a pharmacist, we started this pharmacy up is because we saw that there was a need out there that patients were not getting customized medications that they needed, and they needed our help to kind of work with them and their physician to do that.
What do you mean about customizing?
That's a great question. What we do is we look at the patient's specific needs and we adjust it. And yes, we can take a tablet, form into a liquid. We sometimes can take something and put it into a topical gel. We have opportunities to work with patients with, a lot of different conditions like pain, hormone replacement therapy, and a lot of areas where there is a need in that. So yes, that is what we do, is we change the dosage form, sometimes the strengths.
As you know, I'm a hairstylist and studying trichologist, so I see hair loss oftentimes. What about thyroid medications and high blood pressure medications that affect the hair and scalp? Are you able to adjust those medications so the side effects are not so prevalent in their day-to-day living?
Exactly, yes. When, for example, the example that you gave us, the thyroid patient, is something that we do have a lot of patients that are asking for help because their medication seems to have their blood levels just fine, but they still have a lot of symptoms. And so that's when we come in and we can help, coordinate the medication that they're taking, maybe enhance the medication with a nutraceutical, possibly something that is a nutrient that medication would maybe work better. Maybe look at how their body's absorbing the medication, and maybe asking the doctor to make a slight change in the dosage. That's what we do every day.
Does insurance cover the cost of the prescription?
Insurance companies oftentimes do cover these medications. Sometimes they don't. Each insurance company is different on what they are going to provide coverage for and not provide coverage for. Sometimes, though, we can meet the copays. We can, formulate a medication that is pretty close to the same price as what the normal copay would be.
What is the difference between commercial pharmacy and compound pharmacy?
Yeah, what we do is we would find a need that the commercial medication's not meeting. So we would work with a physician to try to find an answer for patients that maybe the blood pressure medication's not working the way it's designed from the manufacturer. Because everybody's an individual, everybody has a specific need. Whether they can't take a medicine by mouth for some reason, we can formulate that into a different dosage form.
What are the limitations when formulating prescription medications?
Well, there's a lot of limitations that we have, but there's a lot of opportunities that we have to work with doctors to find answers that maybe are outside the box thinking. Some opportunities that maybe we can use a different medication, or maybe formulations that we are limited on. We can find an answer in a different way. So that's one of the areas where maybe we can use something that's non-medicated related.
And you formulate the prescriptions right here in your office, in your own laboratory, and they will pick it up just like they would do at any commercial pharmacy, correct?
Exactly.
Thank you, Dr. Regel, for joining us. And thank you for joining us on Let's Talk Beauty with Stacy Vason. Be sure to visit me at stacyvason.com and join us next Monday for Let's Talk Beauty.
Coming up, Christian artist Timothy Davis